Carlo! All right, y'all. Built by Rob RC. We are in Henry Park. Quick bash session. Some quick air. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Did I break it already? Nope. That's usually the case. Look at that. This thing is just too powerful. That's what it is. Broke that wing mount already. But yeah, just out here testing this thing out, man. Oh, look, I forgot to put the bolt on here. That's crazy. And 2 screws. But oh well. Just put this thing back together. Just want to get out of the house, man. Run it a little bit. Got this body Wayne gave me, but it's not gonna stay on too tough. But anyway, let's see if we can get a good one. Bash Fest, April 12th, y'all. Make sure y'all get out there. Come to CT. This thing is just too powerful, man. Let's see if I can get a clean one. Here we go. This thing is so fragile, y'all. It's an EXB, but this shit is sensitive. I broke that dog bone already. Y'all, I'm starting to hate the successes, y'all. I really am. Look at that. Dog bone out. That's a quick fix though. Nothing crazy. But did I bring any tools? That's the thing. Let's see what I got. But anyway, y'all, Bash Fest, April 12th. Make sure y'all out there. 8th scale, 1/5 scale, RC Madness. We out here in Connecticut. Make the drive, y'all. Make the drive. Plenty fun. Freestyle competition. Big air. You name it, we doing it. Probably a mud bog this year. Should be fun. So I'm just do a quick repair right quick. Pop this dog bone back in. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish up. And this thing I'm running a 1650 and a Max 6. Nothing special. Oh, you know what? Just fix that right there. Nothing special. And I left out the house and I forgot to put the bolt onto this other end right here. So I foresee this happening a lot while I'm out here bashing today. I literally just took this thing off the bench, rushing, trying to beat sunlight, and I had some fun. Let's see if I got some screws in here. Bolt. I need my little screw kit I bring around with me everywhere. For like today, it's not gonna let me down. Put this tire on, I need to have it off. But yeah, this thing, man, has not been doing me well. I've not been having luck with my EXB success. Shock standoffs. #1 Achilles heel. #1. But whatever. Tomorrow I'll link up with the fellas. Hit some big air. This body hold up. animals. Look at this thing. 16, 15 here, y'all, is overkill. Tap on the throttle will respond. All right, let's send it. Demonic. Ooh, ooh. Did I land it? Did I break it? Yep. Dog bone again. Oh, the shock. Oh, that's crazy. I just straight broke it. Look at that. Straight broke it. But yeah, y'all, she plenty fun, but plenty sensitive. Oh. Let me know in the comments what y'all running for shock standoffs and shocks in this thing, because I can't figure it out. I'm gonna send it one more time, finish it off, and call it a day. She gonna give me one more. No shock screw now. No shock, no problem. And it cut. Oh, what's the problem now? It's a little hot, but not enough to be cut. Let's see. That does about. Cut out again. Yeah, this shit getting too hot. Supposed to be EXB mount, EXBS. Anyway, my watch thing's cutting off. It's a little warm. Oh, ESC is cooking. Dang. That's why she's struggling. That's what happens when you don't got no fan on the ESC, y'all. That's what happens when no fan is on your ESC. I'm gonna find my shock spring. Get the hell up out of here. Cut out in the air. All right, y'all, get back to the crib. I'm gonna rig up some fans for this ESC because I see it's cutting out, or I might knock this pan down a little bit because it is getting warmer out here. So that's gonna be the move. But yeah, 6S Kraton EXB. I'm yet still to get this thing bulletproof, but trial and error. Till next time, y'all. Dope or Rob, we out.